Congress MLA Rahul Mamkutathil is now at the center of a widening storm. Here, the crime branch has now registered a case against him, and this is on the charges of stalking and harassment based on the complaints filed with the DGP. Now, officials say more serious charges could follow as investigation progresses in the case. In fact, viewers, this very case adds to a series of disturbing allegations that have now piled up against the young legislator. Avantika, a trans woman, says the MLA sent her sexually explicit messages, even suggesting meetings in Bengaluru and Hyderabad. She alleges he used Telegram's vanish mode to erase evidence in this case. Further, actor Renee Ann George also claims that she repeatedly complained to Congress leaders about obscene messages that were received by Rahul, but no action was taken against him. In fact, writer Hani Bhaskaran has also accused him of inappropriate online messages and derogatory remarks. So it's serious allegations, one after the other, against Rahul in this case. In fact, in another complaint, the daughter of a former MP alleges that Rahul here promised marriage but withdrew, citing caste as a reason. So with the case now officially filed against him, the controversy around Rahul Mamkutathil has grown into a full-blown political and legal crisis for the Congress at this point. So these are the latest allegations that are now coming up against a Congress MLA in Kerala. Remember, it's a storm that's widening for the party in the state. In fact, now the crime branch has registered a case against him on the charges of stalking and harassment. And remember, this comes after a series of complaints came to light. Now, officials say that more serious charges could also follow against Rahul as the investigation in the case proceeds. Let me also walk you through the details of the allegations that have now come to light against him. Avantika, a trans woman, says the MLA here sent her sexually explicit messages, even suggesting meetings in Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Viewers, she also alleges that he used Telegram's vanish mode to erase evidence. Now, in another complaint, actor Renee Ann George also claims that she repeatedly complained to Congress leaders about obscene messages which were being sent by Rahul, but no action was taken in this case. Further, writer Hani Bhaskaran also accuses him of inappropriate online messages and derogatory remarks. And in another complaint, the daughter of a former MP also alleges that Rahul promised marriage but withdrew, citing caste as the reason. So, in total, we've got 4 women filing complaints against Rahul, citing very serious allegations, in fact. And now a formal complaint has been filed against him, which, of course, will lead to increased legal troubles for Rahul as well as for the Congress party in the state.